My name is Doug Brown. I've actually been in the Citrix space for, I believe, 20 years now, believe it or not, which is quite amazing. I first found Citrix 96, 97, and when to go back, I grew up as sort of a mainframe baby. So when I found Citrix, it was the marriage of the mainframe and the personal computer. I jumped on board, and it's been the best 20 years of my life. Nowadays, I also work, I do theabcc.com. Definitely check out theabcc.com, but I also am the global technology evangelist at iGel, which has been a lot of fun. I've been around, been at the company for about 6 months, and it's just an absolutely great experience. So. Down to, if you look at the hyper-converged space, there's all these different players, right? All these different solutions. You know, there's ones that have been around for a while, and then of course the new things. And what's neat about what Flexxible is doing, it's really sort of taking the best of everything and put it in one box, right? So that at the end of the day, the admin can come in, plug the thing in, follow a few steps, and boom, off they're running, right? It's not, I need a little bit of this, a little bit of that, and a little bit of this. It's really just one box to solve your problems. As simple as a toaster, and I think in many ways I answered that question already, right? You know, it is that you unplug it, you unbox it, you plug it in, off you go. It's not a heavy configuration. I don't believe there's a Flexxible PhD program. At the end of the day, it's easy as a toaster, right? From the channel perspective, it's great because it's almost an easy sell, because when people see this thing, they absolutely love it. And then in return, they're able to sell a bunch of this stuff to their existing customers and solve real problems. Everyone's talking about the cloud. We need to move to the cloud. There's obvious benefits of the cloud, as everybody knows, right? But how do you get there? And one of the great things about Flexxible is that it'll allow you to move from on-prem today to sort of a combination of hybrid tomorrow, and then the cloud, you know, the next day at their pace in a very easy to use solution. As I've talked about, you know, before, it's as easy as a toaster, right? One box, plug it in, off you go. From the channel perspective, it's great because it's almost an easy sell, because when people see this thing, they absolutely love it. And then in return, they're able to sell a bunch of this stuff to their existing customers and solve real problems. Because, you know, as I mentioned earlier, what Flexxible brings is really this ease of management, ease of deployment, ease of use, you know, and really gives a great experience for the customer in a really, you know, turnkey type of solution, right? iGel does basically the same thing, and one thing that, you know, with the Citrix solution is it takes you to the edge, and the edge is where the client, the Citrix client is. And what iGel does, it takes you from that edge to the end of the true edge, to where the user is, right? And we can give you the exact same thing. Ease of use, ease of deployment, ease of management. You know, one guy can manage 10,000, 100,000 endpoints all around the world with the iGel solution. It's just that simple, right? So at the end of the day, it's a perfect marriage. Simplicity, security, simplicity together. I love it.